So these are the devil food, man. This is the devil food. So I'm gonna do a tribute to Fred Beachy, Paul Nissen, Matt Monarch, David Wolf. And I'm gonna say no to bananas for dinner. And I'm gonna say yes to potatoes and beetroot. Because we need carbohydrates, so we get it from starchy vegetables. Add a bit of stevia powder. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Superfood, I am Sam. So we've got the greens, got the potato. So we're just chopping that baby in there, in the Vitamix. We've got some beetroot in there already. Look at that. Potato. Oh, beautiful. It's like French fries. A bit of stevia powder, it's like candy. So we'll slap it in there. And we'll blend him up nice and good. Good source of carbohydrates, a bit of protein in there. Tastes like crap, but hey, that's not what it's about. As long as the sales are good on the website, that's all that matters, man. Sucker born every minute. Make sure you're eating your fruit and veggies. See you later.